The Philippine Coast Guard has a new project to expand its air assets. The lightweight multi-purpose fixed-wing aircraft acquisition project will provide one unit of Cessna 208EX Grand Caravan. The aircraft will be the newest fixed-wing aircraft in the inventory of the Philippine Coast Guard, and will be used for search and rescue operations, air ambulance, limited air transport, and short-range maritime patrol and surveillance. The procurement of this new aircraft started way back in 2019 with several failed bidding, and after several failed bidding, on December of 2020, the Philippine Coast Guard conducted another bidding, with the notice of award released on December 30, 2020 by the Philippine Coast Guard and awarded to Hawker Pacific Asia Pty Ltd. The lightweight multi-purpose fixed-wing aircraft acquisition project has a budget worth 250 million Philippine peso for one unit of Cessna 208EX Grand Caravan, and a contract cost worth 249,999,000 Philippine peso, acquired through public bidding. As of February 28, 2021, the Philippine Coast Guard is yet to release the notice to proceed. The release of the notice to proceed will be the basis of the delivery deadline set by the Philippine Coast Guard, and the delivery is expected by the end of 2021 or early 2022. Depends if the notice to proceed will be released by March of 2021.